Welcome everyone, I'm the RetroRepairKid, and today I'm starting a brand new series on this channel where I start with 10 great British pounds and trade my way fixing and reselling items until I can buy a brand new Sony PlayStation 5. This will show you guys how I resell using eBay and how to make money fixing, repairing and reselling games consoles. I will start with £10 trying to find a video game or a console to then trade my way up to the £450 it costs for a brand new Sony PlayStation 5. Now that's enough talking for me, and let's get right into the first episode. Okay, so for day one of the challenge, this was actually before I started recording, but I was just looking around on eBay and Facebook Marketplace. Currently in this time zone, I prefer eBay because of the global pandemic going on. However, at this time, it was pretty much safe if you wanted to go outside. So I was looking on Marketplace and something brand new listed up for sale. Someone wanted to sell their Xbox 360 Slim with Kinect, 2 controllers and 5 games for only £10. A coincidence? I don't know, but I messaged them as soon as possible and I was able to buy the console for £10. Yeah, that's an amazing deal for an Xbox 360. So that console was now in my possession. I played on it a little bit, but now since I'm starting this challenge, I think it will be time to sell it. So I have made this eBay listing. I've listed the price at £55 and obviously postage price. I won't receive that. There'll be some people sending offers in and eBay fees will obviously cut down the profits, but I can make maybe quadruple my money back. So that'll be a great start for this challenge. Now, I have already received an offer of £45, however I counted that with 50 as I don't want to go too low yet, as it's only just been listed up for sale. So, let's wait and find out and see if it sells. Just received a notification on my phone saying that the Xbox has sold, so my counteroffer of £50 was accepted. I have the console all packed up and ready to go to the post office. The Xbox sold within like half a day, so that's an extremely quick sale on eBay. So I'm able to now look for a new item to buy and resell. The game fund will now increase by £45 due to eBay and PayPal fees, so unfortunately I don't receive the full £50 it sold for. However, £45 is plenty to find something to resell. So I now need to go to the post office and post a console, and I'll keep an eye out on the internet to find the next great deal. The Xbox has now been dropped off at the post office and I started to look for more games consoles. I was looking on eBay and looking at games that were nearly finished on auction. Then I can't believe what I spotted. There was an original Nintendo Mario Bros. Game & Watch. I was so lucky to find it, as there was only 3 minutes left on the auction. But after reading the description and looking at all the photos, I just had to purchase it to resell for this challenge. Now, these would normally sell between £35 and £50. However, this one I was lucky enough to purchase it for £21.10. This is an amazing deal, and I'll be incredibly happy to work on this and see how well it does when I resell it on eBay. So that's going to be it for this episode, everyone. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the adventure so far. I'll be looking forward to seeing you all in the next episode. Thanks for watching, and bye.